So last week, I was trying to plan a surprise birthday trip for my buddy. Flights, hotels, the whole thing. And I kept juggling like 10 Chrome tabs, copying info into ChatGPT, losing track of links, and honestly, I almost gave up. But then I heard about ChatGPT Atlas, OpenAI's new browser that just dropped, and it completely changed the game. No more switching back and forth. It's like having ChatGPT right inside your browser, understanding every page you're on. If you've ever felt overwhelmed researching, shopping, or just trying to get stuff done online, this is for you. Alright, so here's the deal. ChatGPT Atlas is live, but only for Mac users right now. Specifically, Macs with Apple Silicon, M1, M2, M3, or M4 chips running macOS 12 or later. It's free for everyone, whether you're on Free, Plus, Pro, or any other ChatGPT plan. To get it, just go to chatgpt.com or Atlas, download the .dmg file, open it, drag Atlas into your applications folder, and launch it like any app. You might get a macOS security prompt. Just click open and you're good. Once it's running, sign in with your existing ChatGPT account and boom, you're in. Now, the magic starts when you actually use it. The first thing you'll notice is the Ask ChatGPT sidebar. It's always there, on the right, and you can use it on any web page. Reading a long article, you can also import your bookmarks, passwords, and history from Chrome in seconds. So if you're on a Mac, go grab Atlas now. It's a total game changer. And hey, if you found this helpful, smash that like button and check out my next video where I break down. Stay smart, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.